Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Hulu with 2FA easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Hulu website or open the Hulu app on your device. If you already have a Hulu account, enter your login credentials. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the security or privacy section within the settings menu. Find the option for two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on the toggle or button to enable 2FA. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method for receiving a verification code. You can select either an authentication app or a phone number for SMS verification. If you choose the authentication app, download one like Google Authenticator or Authy. Follow the app's instructions to set it up and link it to your Hulu account. If you select SMS, enter your phone number when prompted, then click Send Code. Check your phone for a text message containing the verification code. Enter the code in the designated field on the Hulu screen and click Verify. Once verified, your two-factor authentication will be activated. Now, each time you log in, you will receive a verification code. Open your authentication app or check your SMS for the code. Enter the code on the Hulu login screen to complete your sign-in. You've successfully set up two-factor authentication for added security on your Hulu account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.